OpenAI just signed a record-setting $10 billion deal with Broadcom to develop custom AI chips that could reshape the future of artificial intelligence. This isn't just big news. It's a direct threat to NVIDIA's dominance. Why is this important? Let's dive in. In today's update, OpenAI partners with Broadcom in a massive AI infrastructure deal. Oracle reveals new enterprise AI platforms at AI World 2025. California proposes a law requiring all AI chatbots to identify as non-human. Plus, Google's latest Chromebook designed for AI workflows. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a headline. Broadcom's stock surged after announcing a multi-year deal with OpenAI to develop 10 gigawatts worth of custom AI chips. Valued at over $10 billion, this partnership marks one of the largest investments in tailored AI hardware to date, challenging NVIDIA's lead in AI processing. Set to begin rollout in 2026 and scale globally by 2029, the chips aim to enhance OpenAI's model performance while reducing dependency on general-purpose GPUs. At 10 gigawatts consumption, this infrastructure rivals the annual energy use of 8 million US households. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said the partnership is a critical step toward unlocking transformative AI capabilities. Broadcom describes it as a landmark move towards scalable, power-efficient AI deployment. Despite high upfront costs, investor confidence in Broadcom remains strong. Next, in other news, at Oracle AI World 2025, the company announced a new autonomous AI lakehouse and data platform, empowering enterprises to scale AI innovation with integrated analytics and data management. Over 5,000 attendees participated in expert panels and hackathons, with Oracle showcasing partnerships to support real-time AI solutions across logistics, health, and finance sectors. Oracle positions itself as the data-first AI pioneer. Moving on to our next headline, California lawmakers propose Senate Bill 243, a first-of-its-kind law requiring AI chatbots to disclose their nature during every interaction with users. Transparency is the theme as AI becomes part of everyday life. The law would apply to all AI-driven conversational platforms used in business or public settings. If passed, it sets bold precedent nationwide. It's a clear message. Human-AI distinction matters in the era of synthetic speech and digital communication. Here's what's coming up next. Google unveils the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 5 and 14, a hybrid laptop tailored for AI productivity tasks in education and the workplace. Optimized for multitasking and supported by AI software tools on Chrome OS, the device promises enhanced performance at an affordable price, ideal for students, remote professionals, and educators in AI-integrated environments. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child, everywhere. ClassKid, every child is a genius. Support us on Kickstarter. You can find the link in the video description. To wrap up, OpenAI and Broadcom's $10 billion chip deal signals massive AI infrastructure expansion. Oracle pushes enterprise AI forward. California sets policy precedent. And Google's AI Chromebook blends productivity with intelligence. Which story intrigued you the most? Let us know below. Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications. Hit like, drop a comment, and share this video with others who follow artificial intelligence breakthroughs.